In this video, I will show you how to edit Spotify playlist info. So on Spotify, of course, you do have playlists, and what you can do is actually add some info about the playlist. So if you decide to make that playlist public, people know what kind of music to expect in that playlist. So with that being said, let's jump straight into the video. And in today's video, I will be doing this on Spotify.com. If you are using a mobile device, you will also need to come across to Spotify.com. You can't do this on the app. So if you are using a mobile device, you're going to want to open a mobile browser, navigate to Spotify.com and log into your account. So once I'm logged in, you'll see that down here underneath some of these playlists, this is the actual info. So you can see classic pop picks. It says a trip down pop's memory lane, which is actually info about the playlist. Then you got this one here, body and soul, exercise together with uplifting soul music. So as I say, the info basically gives an idea of what the playlist, what kind of music you can expect. Obviously you can't do this on playlists created by other users, you can only do it on playlists created by yourself. So I've actually created an example playlist over here called example, like so. And you can see at the moment I have no playlist info for this. To actually get the info added, what you want to do is click onto the playlist and hover over the playlist photo. It's going to come up with a picture of a pencil. So what you want to then do is click onto this to bring up a screen that's going to look like this. And then you can go ahead and add the info in this description box down here. So I'm going to put something like example songs. Hit the save button down here, and you'll see underneath now we have this little playlist info section. So that's how you do it, and I hope this video helped you out today, and if it did help you out, then be sure to leave a like on the video so YouTube does show this video to more people. Also, if you are looking for more tutorials, tips and tricks for Spotify, make sure to click the on-screen video, which is going to take you across to a playlist of my current tutorials, tips and tricks for Spotify. And if you are looking to stay up to date with the latest tech tips, tricks and tutorials, then make sure to click the subscribe button and hit that notification bell. So I just want to take a moment to thank you for watching, and with that being said, I will see you guys in the next video.